Beautiful, beautiful job. This is so easy to work with. Now, I had to buy extra because I wasn't sure how much. This is what I created with the extra. This little box is attached to the rest of the unit, and it has a solar-powered address spotlight in it. I believe I have made a 3D look by the way I have cornered the ends of it. This is the box, and the box underneath is just basically pieces, the same with the top. This is what I did with the extra. This is the wall of my pool, all concrete, and it is curved, so I had to make the veneer do the same.